Good day everyone! Today, we are going to discuss about arc length of a circle. It is the length of an arc that can be calculated using the following formulas. The first formula is length of an arc is equals to r times theta, or radius times the measure of the angle, where theta is the measure of the arc or central angle in radians. The second formula is length of an arc is equals to theta times phi times r over 180, where theta is the measure of the arc or central angle in degrees. So, meron tayong dalawang formulas. Gagamitin ang first formula kapag ang measure ng central angle or arc is in radians. At yung second formula, gagamitin natin kapag ang measure ng angle ay in degrees. Let's have some examples. Find the length of each of the following arcs. Number 1, given circle O and the measure of arc BY is equal to 3 pi over 4 radians, and the measure of the radius is equals to 6 units. Now let's have the solution. Since the given measure of the angle or arc is in radian measure, we are going to use the first formula, which is r times theta, or radius times the measure of the angle. So ang gagawin lang natin is to substitute the given. So we have radius is equals to 6 times the measure of the angle or arc is 3 pi over 4. So, pwede natin gamitin dito ang cancellation. So, since ang 6 at ang 4 ay divisible by 2, pwede natin i-divide. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3, and 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So, multiply na lang natin. 3 times 3 pi is equals to 9 pi over 2. At lagyan na lang natin ng units. And this is approximately 14.14 units. And this is now the final answer. Let's have another example. Given circle O and the measure of arc BY is equals to 135 degrees and the radius is equals to 6 units. Now let's have the solution. Since the given measure of the arc is in degrees, we are going to use the second formula. Theta times pi times r over 180. Now let us substitute all the given. The measure of the angle or the arc is 135 in degrees, times pi times the radius is 6 over 180. So, pwede natin ulit gamitin ang cancellation. Ang 6 at 180 ay divisible by 6. So, i-divide natin. 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. And 180 divided by 6 is equals to 30. Meron pa tayong pwedeng makancel. 135 and 30, and they are both divisible by 15. So, 135 divided by 15 is equals to 9. And 30 divided by 15 is equals to 2. So, i-multiply na lang natin lahat ng natira. 9 times pi times 1 is equals to 9 pi. And the denominator is 2. Lagyan na lang ng units. And it is approximately 14.14 units. And this is now the final answer. So, kung napansin ninyo, yung number 1 example natin at ang number 2 example natin ay parehas ang sagot. Ano ang reason? So, let us see. Convert natin yung 3 pi over 4 radians into degrees. So, review lang tayo ng konti. 3 pi over 4 times 180 degrees over 5. So, ito ang gagamitin natin na factor para ma-convert natin yung 3 pi over 4 radians into degrees. So, cancel natin. 4 and 180 are divisible by 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. And 180 divided by 4 is equals to 45. And cancel na rin natin yung pi. So, 3 times 45 is equals to 135 degrees, which is equal to the given natin sa number 2. So, kaya parehas lang ng sagot. Anong ibig sabihin yan? We have two formulas para sa arc length. So, kahit alin yung given, parehas lang ang magiging sagot. So, depende sa gagamitin natin na formula. So far, hanggang doon lang muna tayo. Thank you for listening.